What's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy POV, you feel me? Back with another video, man, you feel me? And I see some of y'all be commenting like my old videos or some of the recent videos, man. Y'all be catching on to the lingo I be saying because I say it a lot. And I fuck with that, you feel me? I like when y'all comment on videos, even if they old videos, just comment on it, man, you feel me? Just rock out with me, you feel me? I'm gonna get right, just a lot of stuff just going on right now, man. But as y'all see by that title in that thumbnail, you feel me? We finna get this little late night POV drive in. It been raining all day. So, this is my first time starting this car up since yesterday. You feel me? I'm already in the car, but you know, it been raining all day. So, you know what I'm saying? Just bear with me, the car all foggy, whoop the whoop. But before y'all continue with this video, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, man. I think we at like 182 subscribers. We almost at 200, man. That's crazy. Let's go and give me the 200, man. We're gonna rock out, man. You feel me? Come join the B4E gang, B4E Mafia, whatever. Y'all let me know what y'all want to be called, man, you know, because I don't think y'all never gave me y'all name. Y'all family, I want y'all to come up with y'all own name. You feel me? But enough talking, man. We finna get this POV drive, no cap. Lights on. How to do it? I had the windows down, y'all, but I feel like it's gonna be too loud for the video, so I'm probably gonna let them up. You feel me? Like I said, my bad for the foggy windshield. If y'all can see it, the car been sitting all day. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, the road's wet, so can't really do too much. But I ain't never brought y'all, I don't think I brought, yes I have, I'm tripping. The POVs be at nighttime when I give y'all a POV. Y'all comment down below, would y'all want a daytime POV? Like during the day, you know, driving around type shit. Y'all just let me know, man, comment down below. I don't know when I'm gonna drop this video. Honestly, don't know when I'm gonna drop this video, but y'all know y'all gonna see when y'all get this video, man. Y'all let me know how y'all Christmas went, you know, how y'all New Year's been. Cause it's probably gonna be after New Year's, beginning of the year, when y'all see this. So y'all just comment down below, man. Let me know how y'all Christmas been. If y'all got good gifts, bad gifts, if y'all wanna let me know what y'all got, just let me know, you feel me? Okay, like I said in every video, man, I've been wanting to talk to y'all in the comments, man. I like talking to y'all. You feel me? No cap. likely I'm gonna have y'all an update video coming, but most likely it's gonna be up before this video. So if y'all watch this video and haven't watched the update video, go back and watch that, man. You feel me? Go back and watch it, cause I gotta, I'm gonna help y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let y'all know what the update is on the Mustang. Just, man, these folks just, they playing, man. They playing around, you feel me? But, if y'all ain't watched the update video, go watch that first and then come back to this video, you feel me? And I can't really do too much because, like I said, the road's wet. Y'all want me to put it in a little sport mode or something, even though the road's wet, y'all want me to put it in a little sport mode or something? You feel me? Let me see, when I come to like a little stop or something, I'll do it. I got time, man. Okay. Stop right here. What the? I'm gonna let y'all know. Y'all just be on the lookout for the next drop, the next whip drop. It ain't soon, but I just want to let y'all know. I want to go and let y'all know in advance. You know what I'm saying? Cause it's coming next year for sure. Every you know what I'm saying? Every year or every drop, whatever you make, you got what the? But the light's tripping. Y'all just saw that. But every drop, you know what I'm saying? Whatever you do in life, come harder. Every time. So we're finna hit the mode right here. Boom. Sport Plus. But like I was saying, man, anything y'all do, if y'all try, if you going from one thing to another elevating, man, come harder every time, man. No cap. You know what I'm saying? Just come harder every time. You feel me? To come harder every time, no kidnap. Cause that's what you gotta do, man. Sometimes you're gonna have your downfalls, but don't let that downfall tear you down. You feel me? Don't let that downfall tear you down. You gotta pick yourself up, keep your head up, keep a straight path. You feel me? Don't give up. I'm telling y'all this firsthand, man, cause this year, I done been through a lot, you know what I'm saying? gonna tell y'all nothing wrong, you feel me? Keep your head up, man, you feel me? Whatever y'all going through, just you know what I'm saying? Whoever by you, whoever going through something, play this to your friends, to your family, whoever, man. Whatever y'all going through, it's gonna be alright. So keep your head up, keep going, keep pushing. You know what I'm saying? Keep praying. Don't give up. Whatever you do not give up. Do it for me, but more importantly, you know what I'm saying? Do it for yourself. Do not give up, man. Cause I know how that feel. You know what I'm saying? I know how that feeling is. Cause I promise you, if you don't give up, the outcome is gonna be greater. 1,000%. Your outcome is gonna be greater. If you don't give up, keep your head up. No matter how hard it's getting, keep your head up. Keep trying your best. You know what I'm saying? As long as you keep trying your best, just keep trying, you know what I'm saying? Outcome is gonna come. You feel me? Results is gonna show. No cap. This little street kinda, you know, a little empty. Might do a little something for y'all. It's this wind, bro. I be wanting to let the window down for y'all so y'all can hear it. I know y'all can hear it in the cabin, like, you know what I'm saying, with the windows up, but you know what I'm saying, I want to let the window down. I'll probably crack it, like, literally just a little bit. If that wind be loud, bro. See what I'm talking about? That wind too loud, man. Can't do it. I know when I let the window down, even when I just cracked it just then, I'm knowing y'all heard it. I just cracked it, right? So I know that you know what I'm saying, that wind right next to y'all ears, you know, I ain't trying to damage y'all ears, you know, just for some wind, because the wind don't want to act right. They just hating, man. That's all it is. 12 got somebody pulled over up here, y'all. I know y'all see this. They just hope they don't get me. I don't care about nothing. They talking about I gotta get over. Feel me? Come on with it, kid. What the? Bro, y'all see this? These folks don't know how to drive, bro. Ooh, I ain't got no seatbelt on. They be like, ooh, I think they got hit. Yeah, ooh, they got hit. Y'all, check it out. Hold on. Look, boom. It's a truck. It's a truck somewhere, but I cannot show y'all, bruh. Cause these cars in the way, man. I cannot show y'all. But they got hit. Look like they got hit in the back. Yeah, they got hit in the... How he end up over there, though? Maybe y'all can see some yellow lights flashing over there. That's the truck that hit them. But how that truck end up over there if they right here? I hope they're alright, though. Whoever it is. I just know for a fact they need to, you know what I'm saying, tighten this up. You feel me? No kidnap. They need to tighten this up, man. You feel me? I think there are 2 police out here. I wonder how they get hit, though. Like, if y'all see how they position, like, how they get hit. If it, man, go, man. You worrying about the accident. You tripping. that was the little POV for y'all, man. You feel me? I just want to bring y'all a little something. I'm just trying to pay attention. Hold on. But it's the end of the video, man. You feel me? If y'all like this little night POV, this little drive, comment down below. Type in WPOV or WVID, man. Type one of them, man, down below in the comments. WVID or WPOV, man. Y'all let me know, you feel me? And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man. It's your boy Bob for Vaquero, you feel me? And I'm out, man. No cap.